Hello everyone, today we are going to adjust brightness of our screens, and in order to do it correctly you have to do it as a two-step process. Before we proceed, please do hit the like button to help me spread the video to others, and let's now move ahead. First of all, you have to press this little wheel button. Now go to options, and now we can change the settings of our screen. Click brightness, and we are now able to adjust brightness settings. This is where the two-step process comes in, because my headlights are currently not on. Okay, so I can increase it to maximum. Now I'm going to turn on my headlights, and you can see that the brightness has changed, and the system will now allow me to change settings for the situations when my headlights are on. I'm going to decrease that, press OK, and now my settings have changed. So as I'm turning on and turning off my headlights, you can see that the brightness is changing. If you did find the video helpful, please do hit the like button to help me spread the video to others. Thank you.